Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow without using gelatin. Whip aquafaba until it forms stiff peaks, then slowly pour in a hot sugar syrup while whisking continuously. Add vanilla or other flavorings after the syrup is fully incorporated and continue whipping until the mixture is glossy and holds its shape. Dust a pan with powdered sugar and cornstarch. Spread the mixture. Let it set. Then cut into squares and enjoy. I will explain the essential ingredients and why each matters for marshmallow texture and flavor. Aquafaba mimics egg whites to trap air, while sugar and corn syrup give structure and chewiness when cooked to the right temperature. Salt and vanilla round out the taste and prevent cloying sweetness. Knowing these roles helps you adjust recipes for texture, flavor, and dietary needs, whether you want softer pillows or firmer squares for s'mores. I will help you follow a clear method to get consistent, bouncy marshmallows every time. Heat your sugar mixture to the correct stage, then carefully stream it into whipped aquafaba while the mixer runs on high. Keep whipping until the mixture is thick and shiny, then fold in flavorings and transfer to a pan dusted with powdered sugar and cornstarch. Allow ample setting time before cutting and coating each piece for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.